Junk removal can feel like a daunting task, but with the right preparation, you can make the process quick and easy. Whether you're cleaning out a garage, decluttering a basement, or preparing for a major move, hiring a professional junk removal service in Austin can save you time and energy. Here's a simple guide to help you prepare for a smooth junk removal experience. Identify the items you want to remove. The first step in preparing for a junk removal service is to decide what items you need to get rid of. Walk through each room of your home, garage, attic, or storage spaces and take stock of the items you no longer want or need. This is the perfect time to declutter and make space for new items or to simply create a cleaner, more organized environment. Consider all types of junk, including old furniture, appliances, electronics, scrap metal, yard waste, and even hazardous materials. Many junk removal services in Austin will handle a variety of items, but it's always a good idea to check if there are any restrictions or additional fees for certain materials. Sort through your belongings. Once you've identified the junk, it's time to sort through it. Divide your items into categories: things to keep, donate, recycle, or dispose of. If you're planning to donate some items, consider contacting local charities in advance to see if they can pick up donations. For recyclable items like old electronics, it's essential to ensure they're disposed of properly by taking them to a local recycling center. Sorting before the junk removal service arrives will help you save time and prevent any mix-ups when it's time for them to haul away your items. It's also a great way to streamline the process for the junk removal team, as it will make their job easier and faster. Schedule your appointment ahead of time. When you're ready to schedule a junk removal service, reach out to a reputable company in Austin as soon as possible. Many services can offer same-day or next-day appointments, but booking early ensures you get the date and time that works best for your schedule. Make sure to ask about their availability and whether they offer flexible scheduling, especially if you need a specific time slot. Some services also offer weekend and evening appointments to accommodate customers who work during the week. Clear a pathway. On the day of your junk removal service, it's important to make sure the area around your junk is accessible. Clear any obstacles or furniture blocking the way so the junk removal team can easily remove the items from your home. If possible, try to move larger furniture or bulky items near the door or garage to make it easier for the team to load them into the truck. If you're unable to move items yourself, don't worry, professional junk removal teams are trained to handle the heavy lifting. However, having a clear pathway will help them work more efficiently and minimize the risk of damaging walls, doors, or floors. Know the pricing structure. Before the junk removal team arrives, be sure to understand the pricing structure. Many services in Austin charge based on the amount of space your items take up in their truck or the weight of the items being hauled away. Make sure to get an estimate or quote before the team arrives so you're not surprised by the final bill. Some junk removal services may also offer discounts or flat rates, depending on the type of junk or the size of the job. It's a good idea to ask about these options ahead of time to ensure you get the best value for your money. Prepare for the removal process. Finally, on the day of the junk removal, be prepared to hand over any necessary paperwork or information to the junk removal team. If there are any special instructions or concerns about certain items, let them know in advance. For example, if you have fragile or valuable items that you want to keep, make sure they are clearly separated from the junk. Additionally, make sure you have a plan for payment. Most junk removal services accept various forms of payment, including credit cards, checks, and cash. Conclusion: preparing for a residential junk removal service in Austin doesn't have to be stressful. By following these steps, identifying your junk, sorting your belongings, scheduling in advance, clearing pathways, understanding pricing, and communicating with the removal team, you can make the process much smoother and more efficient. With a little preparation, you'll have your home clutter-free in no time, making it a more comfortable and organized space for you and your family.